Welcome to Fin Fun Fam. Today we're making telescopes. I'm gonna be from Frozen. This is what you're gonna need. Paper towels, rolls, three things, and a blue stripe or a pink stripe, whatever color you want, and color papers, and tape, and scissors, paint, and whatever sticker book you have, and a paintbrush. First thing we're gonna do is paint our rolls.
Make sure you have your parent help you with this. Make sure that all three of your paper towels or toilet paper rolls are nice and dry. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut in the middle or any part right here of the paper towel. And then inside, make sure it's smaller than
Put it in.
Then the actual bottom part.
They have to be.
Okay, once you got the size, you pull it out, you hold it in place, and then you're gonna put tape. Should look something like this. Make sure it's taped on this side where you cut it, and then make sure it fits nicely inside, just like that. All right, let's move on to the next part. All right, now we're gonna do the same thing for the blue one. Now we're gonna do the final touches on the telescope. Attach it to one end and make sure it comes out through the other end. All right? And I will show you right now. So we're gonna take 2 strings. All right, just 2. Now we're gonna make sure we take each piece and put it right through these strings. Could you help me, please?
Yes.
Okay, take the green one, put it through, make sure it comes out the other way. Good, slide it down.
Get in there. Okay.
You got it? Okay.
Now we take the other piece.
Good, and then
the other one.
put it inside.
Oh.
Good.
The other one is peeking out. Oh. The other one. Okay.
Very good. Now pull this blue one down, put it in there. Good. And now we're gonna tape the end of this.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Then we're gonna cut the string.
Now we're gonna decorate it. Make sure you cut each color strip. Now they're done. pick our colors. Make sure you wrap around the edges of your telescope. I'm gonna first do green over here. Just like that.
Around. Whoops.
Oh, little oopsies. Okay,
Put it down so
guys, on the blue. Stickers are not sticking.
They're not sticking.
No. Now we're gonna do. I'll do the on one. Now I'm gonna do.
Here, do the other side.
I'm gonna do Elsa's and Anna's sister, Elsa. She's sticking all us.
Oh, look at this one. This one's cool.
Oh,
You can do that
here.
one too.
That.
You want this one?
Get it. Oh, that's big. She can't
You can
even
put her.
fit her.
Maybe you can put her here.
She might fit.
No?
Not really. Also not really. Now our telescope is ready. Subscribe to my channel, like my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.